Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best Christmas tree stands that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Krinner Genie XXL Christmas Tree Stand. This is one of the best-selling Christmas tree stands on the list. The stand has a sturdy construction, and there are various sizes available to choose from to fix your tree perfectly. You have to use the foot pedal system to set up the Christmas tree in less than a few minutes. Therefore, there is no extra assembling required with no screw to tighten. To be specific, the tree stand has a 20-inch diameter, and the base weight is 18 pounds. Therefore, it can make the heavy trees stand without any risk. As a matter of fact, it is a perfect fit for a Christmas tree up to 12 feet tall and 7 inches in diameter. It can retain as much as 2.5 gallons of water. There is also an automatic water level indicator which is very convenient to prevent water overflow. The product is made in Germany, and that is why you can trust its quality. You can use it to place artificial as well as natural Christmas trees. The base also has a deep green coating which goes well with the Christmas theme. Besides, his green coating also prevents rusting and corrosion, making it highly durable. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the jackpost Welded Steel Christmas Tree Stand. This imported quality Christmas tree stand is constructed with the welded steel. The stand gracefully holds the tree with the maximum height of 12 feet. It can also hold the tree trunk with 7 inch of maximum diameter. The tree stand can also expand the legs up to 29.75 inch. This tree holder is capable of holding 1.7 gallons of water in the artificial basin of the stand. The 4 pieces of T-nut tipped eye-bolt successfully holds the tree standing still with safety. Moreover, the steel spike base provides a proper steadiness to the tree stand. This is a stand with superb durability and needs a minimum amount of maintenance. The cylindrical steel legs are strong enough to bear the hefty load of the tree without any bending over. It does not cause misplacing. The hardware of this tree stand is of decay-proof gold tone zinc dichromate. This Christmas tree stand is ideal for the larger trees. Furthermore, the power coating finish of this tree stand makes it resistant to rust and gives additional durability. At number 3, we have the Cinco C148E Express Tree Stand for up to 10 feet trees. This Christmas tree stand has the capacity of holding the real trees with the trunk diameter of 7 inch. The stand without any doubt can hold up to a 10 feet tall tree. You can get a water reservoir inside of this Christmas stand. This reservoir can hold up to 2 gallons of water with ease. It is a medium-sized tree stand. Additionally, with the support of the push-pull ratchet mechanism, you can spontaneously install and remove the tree from the tree stand. Before the final setup, the galvanized pins in the middle of the base centralizes and safely lock the tree in the stand. Moreover, the stand looks amazing with the leather-coated finish with the reinforced screw holes and an intense tumble protector. The total weight of this tree stand is 4.6 pounds. The tree stand is constructed with the robust plastic material. Besides, this Christmas stand has a prolonged shelf life. The item also requires almost zero maintenance, and you can use it year after year, without trouble. At number 2, we have the Good Tidings Emerald Innovations XTS3 Swivel Straight Tree Stand for 10 feet tree. This stand is very good for holding a 10 feet tall Christmas tree. The stand can fit your tree easily, and the weight of the tree is spread evenly on the stand. The stand is made of a polymer which protects the stand from rust. The material also does not cause any harm to the floors or crack to the stand material. Besides, the stand has larger bolts and has a screw tightening system. With this method, you can easily set up the Christmas tree stand. You can also adjust a tree of about 5-inch diameter in the separate trunk receptacle in the stand. There is also a separate water reservoir which can hold water up to 3.5 quarts. It eliminates the need for constant refilling of the water reservoir. There are also drain slots provided in the stand. It helps to prevent water spills and also prevents the area from getting messy. With the help of screws, you can easily set up and install the Christmas tree stand in your house. The material used to make a stand is strong and durable and prevents crack or damage to the tree stand. And finally at number 1, we have the Santa's Solution Solid Steel Christmas Tree Stand. This is a stand made of solid steel. The steel stand is very sturdy and durable. It can comfortably accommodate an 8-foot tree. It comes with a lifetime guarantee. The base of the tree stand is so constructed so that the weight of the tree is evenly distributed throughout the stand. It easily absorbs the weight of the tree so that the base is secure. When you place the tree on the stand, it has a centering system so that it creates the perfect balancing system for the tree. As a result, the stand holds the tree securely at the base. The steel body also has a powder coat paint finish. This gives a stylish look and elegance to the Christmas stand. Besides, it also gives strength and durability to the structure. The steel body is also lightweight so that you can set up the stand at any corner of your house. You can use the stand for holding a big Christmas tree for the festive season. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.